Hey everyone! Welcome to the ultimate channel for all pocket watch lovers. Today, we're diving into an exciting unboxing of a Heuer stopwatch I snagged from an eBay auction. The Heuer Trackmaster has earned its nickname as the stopwatch for everyone, thanks to being affordable, reliable, and super practical. Stick around until the end of the video to uncover its fascinating history and some of its most interesting features. You won't want to miss it. The world of sports timekeeping changed forever in the 20th century. Among the many instruments designed to measure time precisely, few are as iconic as the Heuer Trackmaster, a cheap, durable plastic stopwatch built to record every fraction of a second. Today, we'll explore its history, mechanics, and why it became a standard in competitions worldwide. Heuer, founded in 1860 by Eduard Heuer, always focused on speed, sports, and precision. In the 1960s and 1970s, it became a leader in official timekeeping for motorsports, athletics, and the Olympics. The Trackmaster was developed as a handheld plastic stopwatch, accessible, practical, and robust. Judges, coaches, and professional timekeepers quickly adopted it as a reliable standard. The Trackmaster is simple yet smart, a lightweight, rugged plastic case, a large clear dial, and high-contrast hands for easy reading. All models are operated by 3 pushers. Center green crown to start and resume timing. Left red pusher to stop. Right black pusher, which also stops the timer for flexibility. This intuitive setup allowed anyone, from beginners to professionals, to time events accurately under pressure. Inside the plastic case, a mechanical movement drives the stopwatch. The mainspring stores energy when wound, released through gears to move the hands consistently. At the core, the escapement regulates each tick, ensuring precise, reliable intervals. This simplicity and robustness made the Trackmaster perfect for sports, even before electronic timers became common. Coaches used it for sprints, intervals, and split times. Judges relied on it for accurate finishes, and motorsport teams kept it as a mechanical backup. Many professionals carried multiple Trackmasters simultaneously for timing different athletes or events. Heuer produced several Trackmaster variations, different scales, 1/10 second precision, and unique dial colors. After the 1985 transition to Tag Heuer, the classic 8042 and 8047 were replaced in 1986 by 8062 and 8067, new economical plastic timers marketed as Supersport. Meanwhile, the 8032 and 8037 remained under the Trackmaster label. Both names were phased out in the early 1990s, ending this iconic line of mechanical stopwatches. Today, the Heuer Trackmaster symbolizes an era when precision relied on mechanical engineering and human skill. It is simple, reliable, and authentic. For collectors and enthusiasts, it remains a tangible piece of sports timing history, often still working as precisely as the day it left the factory. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and learning a bit about the Heuer Trackmaster. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more pocket watch content, unboxings, and interesting stories from the world of horology. Leave a comment below telling us which watch or stopwatch you'd like to see next. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep enjoying the beauty of watches, and I'll see you in the next video.